Hey everyone, it's Zach with Toilet Troubles DIY. I'm currently in my front yard getting everything set up for this year's display, and before I got everything finished, I wanted to do a demo and review of these pirate pumpkins that you see behind me. I just received these pirate pumpkins from the creator, and I've got to say these are absolutely perfect for anyone who wants to do a pirate themed yard haunt. So there are currently 3 different Shanty Singing Pirate decorations, and what's interesting is that the music for all 3 songs are performed by a folk punk band called the Dreadnoughts from Vancouver. The creator tells me he was inspired to make these decorations after playing Assassin's Creed Black Flag. He found the Dreadnoughts version of these 3 shanties online and spent 3 years trying to get a license to use their music. To my knowledge, the only pirate-themed decoration that existed prior to this is the Singing Pumpkins, A Pirate's Life for Me. But unlike with the Singing Pumpkin, these decorations already include a license to use the music, so you don't have to purchase it separately. First, I'll show you what I'm using to project onto the pumpkins, and then we'll dive into the demo. Alright, so inside of my projector box, I've got the Aaxa P4X, running the decorations off of a micro SD card, and I'm projecting onto 3 different sized Funkins. So let's jump into the demo.
The smartest clipper you can find is Ho-way, ho, are you most done? She's the Margaret Evans on a Blue Star line. Clear away the track and let the bull giant run to me. Hey, ring a jig and a jaunting gun. Ho-way, ho, are you most done? With Eliza Lee all on my knee. Clear away the track and let the bull giant run. Oh, we're outward bound for the West Green Pier. Ho-way, ho, are you most done? With Galway Shale and Liverpool beer. Clear away the track and let the bull giant run to me. Hey, rig a jig and a jaunting gun. Ho-way, ho, are you most done? With Eliza Lee all on my knee. Clear away the track and let the bull giant run. And when we're over in New York town, ho-way, ho, are you most done? We'll dance them Bowery girls around. Clear away the track and let the bull giant run to me. Hey, rig a jig and a jaunting gun. Ho-way, ho, are you most done? With Eliza Lee all on my knee. Clear away the track and let the bull giant run. 'Tis a damn tough life, full of toil and strife, we whalermen undergo. And we don't give a damn when the day is done, how hard the winds did blow. 'Cause we're homeward bound from the Arctic around, with a good ship taut and free. And we don't give a damn when we drink our rum with the girls of old Maui. Rolling down to old Maui, me boys, rolling down to old Maui. We're homeward bound from the Arctic around, rolling down to old Maui. Once more we sail with a northerly gale towards our island home. Now we are ready to head for the Horn. Way, hey, roll and go. Our boots and our clothes, boys, are all in the pond to be rollicking randy dandy, oh. Heave a boat and heave away. Way, hey, roll and go. The anchor's on board and the cable's all stored to be rollicking randy dandy, oh. Man the stout capstan and heave with a will. Way, hey, roll and go. For soon we'll be driving her way up the hill to be rollicking randy dandy, oh. Heave a boat and heave away. Way, hey, roll and go. The anchor's on board and the cable's all stored to be rollicking randy dandy, oh. Heave away, bullies, you perish rig bums. Way, hey, roll and go. Take your hands from your pockets and don't suck your thumbs to be rollicking randy dandy, oh.
These digital decorations are a must-have for anyone who has a pirate theme. They have some great detail, including 3 unique pirate pumpkin carvings, and you can also see the flickering candle inside, which is really cool. And the actual music the creator used sounds incredible. You can purchase these 3 decorations using the link that I'll leave in the description below. Right now, they are currently $15 per song, or you can buy a bundle of all 3 songs for $30. I'm told that more pumpkin pirate decorations are in the works for next Halloween, and you can expect to see scenes of funny faces, jokes, and pirate stories. If you found this review helpful, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and hit that bell icon to be notified of the next time a video is uploaded. As always, thank you for watching. I'm Zach with Toil and Troubles DIY, and until next time, happy haunting.